Hello everyone, this is me BB. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making vermicelli pudding, and the first ingredient you're going to need is some evaporated milk. You're gonna add the entire can. Next you're going to need 2 cups of water, and you want to bring everything, the milk mixture, into a boil. And this is the vermicelli. It's about 7 ounces, and you want to add it inside the milk. So once you do that, you're gonna add some salt and make sure you lower down the temperature very low. So everything is going to cook for about, let's say, 10 minutes at a very low heat, and you come in between the 10 minutes and start stirring a little bit at a time. The next thing you know, it's all done. That's when you want to come and add some little bit of sugar, and this is gonna be important too, some nutmeg. If you don't like nutmeg, you can add some cinnamon, will do just as good. And this is what it looks like. Just to decorate it and make it fresh a little bit, you can add some mint leaf. Ramadan Mubarak. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you back here next time. Bye.